In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Google Meet. Connecting Google Meet to Slack makes it much easier to start and share meetings without leaving your workspace. Instead of opening separate tabs and manually copying links, you can create a meeting right from a channel or direct message and keep everything in one place. To begin, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Apps section and open it. Use the search bar to look for Google Meet, then select the official Google Meet app. It should display the familiar multicolored camera icon, which helps confirm that you're choosing the right integration. Click Add to Slack, and Slack will open a secure browser page for setup. On that page, click Add to Slack again. Review the permissions being requested, and then click Allow to complete the installation. Once the app has been added to your workspace, the next part is connecting your Google account. Head back into Slack, where you should see a message from the Google Meet bot in your direct messages. Open that conversation and click the Connect Account button inside the chat. This will open a secure Google sign-in page in your browser. Choose the Google account you want to use, review the permissions, and click Allow. After the connection is confirmed, you can close that browser tab and return to Slack. There's also an optional setup step if you want Google Meet to be your default calling option inside Slack. To do that, click your workspace name at the top of the left sidebar to open the main menu. From there, go to Settings and Administration, then open Workspace Settings. In the Settings page, scroll until you find the Call section. Open the available options, choose Google Meet as the default provider, and save your changes. This can make launching meetings even faster for your team. Now that everything is connected, you're ready to start a meeting. Open the channel, private conversation, or direct message where you want to share the meeting. Click in the message box, type /meet, and press enter. As soon as you do that, Slack will generate a Google Meet invitation directly in the conversation. You'll see a meeting card with a join meeting button and a shareable meeting link. Anyone in that conversation can simply click the button to open the meeting in a new browser tab and join right away. And that's it. You've successfully connected Slack to Google Meet and can now launch meetings much more efficiently from within Slack.